Yo, what's up? It's your boy Jon Belcher, aka Jaydis Crete. I'm making this video today about a recent status that I just posted on my Jaydis Crete music page the other day, right? And what I posted was that most of the new millionaires and the new billionaires of this era, in this day and age, most of them became rich from the internet. If you really think about it, most of the new millionaires that we have today, they became rich from something having to do with computers, something having to do with the tech industry. And I named 3 main people in that Facebook post that I put up on my Jaydis Crete music page. There was 3 main people that I posted, and they're all billionaires, right? The first person that I posted was about Jeff Bezos, if you really think about it, right? Jeff Bezos, creator of Amazon. He became a millionaire from Amazon. Something having to do with an online internet website. Who's another person? The second person is Elon Musk. What he did was he owned PayPal. Right? So he's a billionaire today. Of course, he has other businesses and stuff like that. But what got him rich initially was something having to do with the internet, PayPal. Who's another person? The third person, Mark Zuckerberg, right? Mark Zuckerberg is the creator of Facebook. All 3 of these people are all billionaires from something having to do with making money and generating income online. So there's a pattern there, you know what I'm saying? And the pattern is that the way to become a millionaire in this day and age, one of the safest and one of the legal ways that you can change your finances and really boss up your life and take your income to a whole new level will be from something having to do with earn money online. And this is why for years and years, if you check back even my old videos, right? Even if you check back my old videos, you'll see I've been talking about making money online and the power of making money online. You'll see I've been talking about affiliate marketing. You'll see I've been talking about leads, email marketing. And the reason why I've been talking about this stuff for so long is because making money online is the now and it's the future. So soon enough, if you don't have a skill set having to do with earning money online, it's going to be very hard for you to make income when it comes to business. Now, I'm not saying that there's going to be no successful businesses that are offline. I'm not saying that at all. But what I am saying is every business of this era will have to have some sort of online presence in order to be successful. And this is why I speak over and over again about the importance of learning how to market online. This is why I speak over and over again about the importance of learning how to run ads, learning how to get your own data and convert that data into sales. This is why I've been talking about this for so long, for so many years, is because making money online is the now and the future. I mean, let's just be real. Even a musician. Some of you know I make music as well, right? Some of you know that I make music as well, hip-hop music. Some of you have even heard my music. But even as a musician, musicians today, they rely on streams as well as they rely on viewership in order to earn residual income. So if a musician has their music on, let's say something like Spotify, Spotify is a tech company. They're an app. They're online, right? So if you're not utilizing some type of online way to distribute your music, I mean, I hate to really break the news to you, but you're missing out on extra fans. You're missing out on extra money that you can be earning from the people who are able to access and listen to your music. You know what I'm saying? So if you feel what I'm saying and you've been seeing this pattern for the last 10 to 20 years where a lot of new millionaires and a lot of new billionaires have been created from something having to do with the internet, then drop a comment below. Let me know if you've been seeing this pattern, or let me know if you disagree, right? I would love to hear your thoughts and what you feel about this topic, because I just like to be real with you guys who are subscribed to my channel, as well as those of you who are new coming to my channel. I want to be real with you guys and show you patterns which, if you take advantage of those patterns from now, in the next 2, 5, 10, 15, 20 years, you can be financially free. You can be job free, not having to worry about a 9-to-5 job, simply because you learned a skill set having to do with generating income online. You know what I'm saying? And hold on one second, let me just check this, make sure this timer is still going. And you know, that's just the key, you know what I mean? I gotta be real with you and let you know that in this day and age, if you don't know how to collect your own data with an online business, if you don't know how to build your brand online, if you don't know how to expand your brand, if you don't know how to get your message out there to more people, if you don't know how to create a rapport with your fans and your followers and your audience, it's going to be very hard for you to become rich in this day and age, you know? So at the end of the day, life is all about investment. Life is not about the money you make, it's about what you do with the money you make. So even if you work a 9-to-5 job right now, if you did want to quit that 9-to-5 job, the best way to do it would be to invest your money into something that will allow you to quit that job. For example, invest your money into making money online, for example. You know what I'm saying? So that's just what it is, you know? That's just me being real with you. That's the times we're in today. This is the era we're in today. So I would recommend, if you can, get with somebody who can teach you how to make money online from the ground up. Get with somebody who can teach you how to generate traffic, how to earn residual income, how to be able to get leads and generate leads in your sleep. Get with somebody who will be willing to teach you how to get sales in your sleep. Even if you don't get a part of my program, you know, because in my program I teach how to do the same thing, but you don't have to join me. I'm just saying that I want you to open up your eyes to the pattern of what's going on right now in today's society. You know what I mean? So if you feel what I've been saying in this video and you agree with it, please give me a thumbs up, like this video, and be sure to subscribe to my video and hit the bell button so that you can be notified whenever I make videos like this, because I really have a passion for sharing information with people and just opening people's eyes to patterns of what's going on right now and the future, right? And the reason why patterns are so important is because, for example, if you were a person who were making money in real estate before 2008 and you were able to see the patterns of how the real estate and housing and the market, the housing market was going to crash, that would have been a benefit to you, because you could have taken action that would have prevented you from losing out big on the housing market, right? You would have been able to foresee that the housing market was going to crash, and you would have been able to prevent yourself from making that happen. But now, you know, houses are through the roof. So what's the next big thing past real estate now? What's the next big thing after real estate and after the banking market? The next big thing after the real estate market is making money online. That's what's thriving today, and that's what's here to stay for many years to come. You know what I'm saying? So I just want to open up your eyes about this information and share this topic with you. Like always, this is your boy Jonathan Belcher. Make sure to drop a comment below. Give me a thumbs up if you like the video, or a thumbs down if you don't like the video. But be sure to subscribe. I'm going to see you at the top, and I'm going to see you in the next video. Peace.